Namaste. Myself Ram Kumar, Associate Professor in Department of Pharmacognosy, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Bowman University, Jaipur. Now we are starting new topic, quantitative microscope, जिससे हम सेकंड जो लैंग्वेज है उसमें बोल सकते हैं लाइकोपोडियम स्कोप. सेकंड नेम इज लाइकोपोडियम स्कोप. The lycopodium spore method is a evaluation of drug. Used in evaluation of drug, but this is inexpensive analytical technique used for the powder to drug when chemical and other evaluation methods fail to give accurate quality measurement. Lycopodium spore are of characteristic shape and appearance and of uniform size, about 25 micrometer, about 94,000 spores are found in 1 milligram of powder lycopodium. The lycopodium spore of the species of submoss lycopodium is belong to the family Lycopodiaceae, have uniform dimension 94 micrometer. By using this fact, will scientists determine the number of spores present in milligram by experiments. The number of was found in average 94,000. This fact has become the foundation of universally accepted quantitative microscope. The foreign organic matter present in the powder drug can be determined by taking advantage of characteristic particles, particles which are easily identified and distinguished from the remainder of the powder. They must also be fairly resistant to mechanical force. This lycopodium consists of spore of submoss Lycopodiaceae family. These are spiked, are cut, dried and shaken to separate the spore. Lycopodium is a light yellow color, odorless, tasteless, mobile and flammable powder. About 50% fixed oil consists of glycoside, 3% sugar, phytosterine, anotine, alkaloid are present in lycopodium powder. The lycopodium drug is evaluated by lycopodium spore method only if it is contained. First point is well defined and countable particle. Example starch grain or pollen grain. Second point is single layer of cell or tissue whose area can be traced under suitable magnification and actual area calculated. And third point is objects of uniform thickness. Those lengths can be measured under suitable magnification and actual area calculated. The percentage purity of ginger powder can be calculated by this method and multiply W multiplied 94,000 multiply 100 by S multiply M multiply P equal to percentage purity of drug, where N is a number of characteristic structure. Example starch grain in 26 film, W is weight of lycopodium in milligram and S is the number of lycopodium spore in the SAM 25 film. M weight of the sample milligram calculate on the base of sample dried at 105 degrees centigrade. pH 2,86,000 in case of ginger starch blend powder. The powder clove, ginger, cardamom, nutmeg, umbelliferous fruit can be calculated या evaluated by Lycopodium spore method. Thank you. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comments box. I will resolve it. Thank you.